my name's Ayla Roberts and welcome to Beauty in the Dark. Beauty in the Dark is a little bit of a fun channel, a little bit of a hobby channel. It's something that I started separate to my main YouTube channel because whilst I've been doing YouTube, I have realised that I have had to become my own hairstylist and makeup artist, and I was not very good to begin with. Some might argue I'm still not very good at it, but I have definitely gotten better since those days. And whilst I've been doing it, I've found that actually I really enjoy it and I love doing it. So I wanted to share my makeup looks with you and some other little stuff, journeys for my hair, because you know I do some radical things with my hair sometimes. So that's what this channel is for. It's a little bit of fun. It's not supposed to be taken seriously. You know, I'm not interested in all the drama and stuff that usually gets caught up with fashion and design and the world of beauty. I just want to have a bit of fun, and it's my sincerest hope that you will come on this journey with me and hopefully maybe end up deciding you want to subscribe to this channel so you can, you know, follow the journey even further. And between us, we can learn and grow as, you know, people who enjoy makeup and hair as a hobby and beauty as a hobby. So yeah, take care of yourselves, everybody, even if you don't decide to subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. I hope I will see you soon on another one of my videos. Bye.